Question 22 is, often it is taken that a truthful person commands more respect in the society. A man is known to speak the truth 4 out of 5 times. He throws a die and reports that it is a 6. Find the probability that it is actually a 6. Do you also agree that the value of truthfulness leads to more respect in the society? So let H1 be the event that 6 appears on throwing a die, and H2 be the event that 6 does not appear on throwing a die. So probability of H1 is 1 by 6 and probability of H2 is 5 by 6. Here E is the event that the person speaks truth. Right? E is the event that the person speaks truth. So probability of person speaking the truth, given that event H1 is already occurred, is 4 by 5, and probability of person speaking the truth given that H2 is occurred is 1 by 5. Now what we have to find out is this, right? Probability of occurrence of H1 given that E has already occurred. So we will apply this formula, and since we already know the values, we will place them, and finally we are getting the answer 4 by 9. And last question was of the moral value related question. So yes, truthfulness leads to more respect in society.